Hello everyone and welcome again in Lockdown Cooking. Before we start, I just would like to say a big shout out to everyone and say thank you for all the pictures you've been sending to me. It's really overwhelming, it's amazing to see you all cooking, so well done, it's brilliant. Now since I've got so many pictures, what I thought to do is maybe to stay in the spirit of the Hall of Fame that I do every 2 weeks at school. Maybe we can do something with it. So what about if you'd like me or Miss Jones to post these pictures online, can you just let an adult tell me that this is okay for these pictures to go online, and we'll maybe do something with it. Okay? For today, I thought to do another pasta dish, something different because I had some cream. I thought, well, let's do something with cream today. And I had a look, and to just stay in the idea of lockdown cooking, I just had a look in the cupboard, and I took bits and bobs that I found. These are mainly things that I still had from 3 weeks ago when I did my first video. They still last for very long, so you can keep on cooking for a long time. So I got some cream, I've got some garlic, garlic here, I've got some mushrooms that I bought a few days ago, bacon that keeps a long time in your fridge. I've got an onion and some penne pasta and a bit of cheese because we do like some cheese. Alright, we can put all these ingredients together and do something with it. If for any reason you don't like any of these ingredients, you don't have to follow this recipe exactly how I tell you to do. Or if you want to make a pasta with some creamy sauce and mushrooms and garlic, that is great, just do that, that's absolutely fine. If you want to do something more like carbonara and want to do something with bacon, that is fine. Another bit of onions, that is cool too, absolutely fine. Alright, let's get cooking. So, I've tied my hair, washed my hands, the kettle was on the go a minute ago, so let's get this boiling. Hop. Okay, good old penne pasta. That will be enough for the family. Okay, always with pasta, make sure kind of mix it a bit at the bottom. You don't want your pasta to stick. Alright, let's get my ingredients sorted. So let's cut my onions first. Remember, we do the claw on one side. We kind of try to peel it a bit like this. Claw on the other side. There we go. Get this in there, get this in there. If you see here, I've got this peel that I can use. Brilliant stuff. Remember again, don't use the wobbly side, use the flat part. You do the bridge, you cut in the middle. Okay, and then you can do the bridge again. Do 2 cuts, do the claw. Remember how I used to do it? You don't go straight down vertically, but you just go towards the middle like that. Okay? Hop, 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 hop. Okay, get in here, bridge, 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 and claw, 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 claw. So my onions done. Garlic, same idea, cut the end bits off. Okay, got another one here because we do like the garlic taste. Nice. Crush it. If you don't know how to do garlic, remember there's a video on garlic bread. I teach you how to make garlic paste. You can always refer back to this one to do your garlic in detail. I'm not going to make a paste for this, I just chop it a bit using the glue again. Put it back together, and that is fine. Alright, let's do my bacon. Let's just use 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rushes will be enough. Okay, I don't really like the fat parts too much, so I cut it off. Okay, some people like it, you can keep it if you want to. I don't like it too much. Alright, so here we go. Slice them. Now, the majority, all the dishes I do actually are for me and my family. So we are with 4 at home. Hey, keep on talking, I forgot that. Okay, no panic. There you go. Haha, everybody makes mistakes. There we go. So, what was I saying? Yeah, all the dishes I do are for 4 people. So you can always do a little bit less if you're with 3 or 2 on your own. Just think about it when you prepare your ingredients. Alright, I'm going to put a little bit of oil, really not too much. There we go. And put my pan on, let's say, medium to high heat. Perfect. Let's get the bacon in first. I'm going to be hearing this bacon sizzling in a minute. Okay. Let's do my mushrooms while we're waiting. For my mushrooms, slice them in 2, just like that. And then you can slice them in quarters. That is a nice way of doing it. If you don't like that way, another way of doing it is you just do the bridge and you cut them like this. So you have a bit side up. That's possible too. Okay, I'll continue with quarters. That's the way I like to do them. Okay. Now, my bacon doesn't have to be completely cooked yet. Oh, by the way, don't forget, once you've handled raw meat with your hands, always wash them, okay? Bacon is not completely cooked yet, but that doesn't matter. My onions will keep on going. I really want them to be soft. In there. And you really have these nice smoky smells mixed with onion. It's fantastic. Make sure it doesn't stick at the bottom. Right, back you go. finish with my garlic. I often put my garlic at the end in my mixture because garlic is really small. It would just burn quickly if you do it as first. So it's your last thing you do in there. Put your garlic. Nice. And for a good practice, always wash up on the go. Stop just sitting here and stirring for nothing, it's not needed. That's nearly going to be ready. Alright, now penne pasta, good 12 minutes roughly. Remember when you do pasta, just taste it. If you like it a little bit crunchy, just borderline, it's called al dente, that's how the Italians like to do it. If you don't like it that way, leave it for a little bit longer until it's really, really soft. Okay, so I'm reducing now my mixture here. If you can look at it, I'm reducing to low heat. I'm going to put my cream in. Now I use double cream just because it's a little bit thicker. Okay, and what I like to do is just add a little bit of water in there, not too much. And we mix again. Great. Okay, now add some salt. And some pepper. You can add as much pepper as you want, but don't overdo it unless you want to make a pepper sauce. Nice. 2 more minutes. Okay, now. If my doctor would see me now, he would tell me off. He would say, Mr. Ricard, your cholesterol levels are too high. I would say, yes sir, but I really, really love cheese. Sorry for today, doctor. I just add just a little bit, just for that extra cheesy taste. You can use cheddar, parmesan, whatever you have. You don't have to put a lot, just a tiny little, just to give a nice cheesy taste. Alright. And we mix it. Probably 1 more minute for my pasta and I'm ready to go. Some taste. Right, and I think these ones are ready. Let's give it a try, just to make sure. Perfect. And here you go, ladies and gentlemen, this is your creamy pasta sauce with leftovers. Have a look at it. I know you're going to enjoy it. Okay everyone, thank you very much for watching and see you later. Take care of yourselves. Thank you.